Hi guys, today I want to show you this awesome power bank. The first is it's from INIU or INIU, which is an awesome brand. I've already tested many products of them and they have been absolutely awesome, especially wireless charger and also other power banks. And of course we have also very high specs, especially the 140 watts charge. And of course, because it's so large, we have a very high capacity and we have a very special display with functions which I've never seen till now. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, and then I'm going to do some performance testing. And so here you have the box. You can see the model type. Comes even with 3 years warranty. So let's take it out. Comes nicely protected. And in the package we get also this really nice carry case with some additional information. And so here we have the welcome guide, and of course the most important information here are the specs, and we can see that the maximum input is 100 watts, the maximum output is 140 watts on USB-C 1. I think all other information are not so important. Maybe, yeah, one more thing here. What's also incredible that we have a maximum output of up to 28 volts. I've never seen a power bank with so much power. It's absolutely incredible. And we get also this very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and that's very important because not every cable can charge up to 140 watts. There are a lot of USB cables which are limited in charge, so make sure that you're using really good quality or this one. And so here we have it, really nice, beautiful with this black matte finish. And when we click here on this button, we can see the charging level. And here on top we have the high input output USB-C, but we have also second USB-C port with up to 45 watts, and we have also high power USB-A output. And so here I have also a high power supply, so I'm plugging this in here on the 140 watts port, but of course again maximum input is 100 watts, so let's wait for a little bit. And now we have a lot of information here on the display. We can see we are using the C1, which is this one here. Starts slow, then goes up and then stays stable here at around 60 watts. We also see the current charge level. We see it's used as input, and we see how long it would take to fill up this power bank. That's also absolutely awesome information, also something which I've never seen before. So it stays at 60 watts. So let's see if this is caused by the power supply or by the cable. Maybe the cable is only rated 60 watts. So I'm using here a different cable. So let's plug it in. We have also some information here in this case. Let's see, starts with 14 watts, now goes up 28 watts, 73 watts, 95 watts, 96 watts. Yeah, really close to 100. Here it says 106, so it's a little bit a difference, of course. Yeah, I guess the cable is showing a little bit too much. It's actually just rated 100 watts. So I'm using here even a 240 watts cable. Let's see if we get the same results. Yeah, even a little bit lower, but still very close to 95. Absolutely amazing. I mean, this is incredible power which you can feed into this power bank. I've never seen that before. And so with such high input power, it would only need 0.5 hours to fill up. Of course, we are at 62%. But for the full charge, it needs only a little bit more than 1 hour for such a super large power bank. And so here I have my test configuration for the maximum output. And so we press here to turn on the screen. By the way, here we are in the expert mode. If you don't need so much information, you can long press for 5 seconds. Then we just see the charge percentage. And with 5 seconds press, we can turn it on again. And so I have triggered 28 volts. We can see that here. So I bring this device a little bit closer. You can see the wattage. Now I'm increasing. You can see it goes up around 50 watts. Then increasing more around 100 watts easily. Absolutely no problem for this power bank. You can also see that here, and so I'm increasing slowly here even more. You can see around 130 watts. Of course, we also have a little bit loss here in the cable, but we sometimes have even up to close to 140 watts already. We are super close. So let's see where it's cutting off. Yeah, we have been super close to 140 watts. Incredible power here before it has cut off. But of course, cut off doesn't mean that it's damaged, because it has a lot of safety built in. We can just turn it on again and then starting to use power again very easy, absolutely no problem. But of course we also want to see it in real life. You can see this phone here is charging, this phone is charging, and this phone is also charging, all 3 ports at the same time, 3 devices. And also something special, when we have 3 attached devices, when we are in the Pro mode, where we see everything, we can use double click to switch between the different ports. So we are monitoring here USB-A, which is this one here. We double click, we can see the charge on USB-C1. Double click again, we can see the charge on USB-C2. So we have the full control, absolutely awesome. And because this power bank is so powerful, we can even charge normal laptops, Windows laptops or MacBooks or these things which we can't charge with just normal power bank on 5 volts. This Lenovo laptop requires at least 20 volts, so absolutely no problem with the 28 volts from this power bank. You can see charging with 56 watts, absolutely awesome. So definitely most powerful power bank I've ever seen. Full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.